Hello, good morning student. Today we will start new chapter that is about the change in weather. So what about the weather you know? The weather is all around us all the time. What is weather? What is weather? The weather is all around us all the time. All the time. Okay. It is an important part of our lives and on which we have no control. Do you have any control on weather? No. You cannot say that you are having control on weather because you feel sometimes too cold, too hot. Sometimes it is rainy, sometimes it is spring. So when you feel too hot, so what do? You simply wear light clothes, isn't? When there is too hot, so you wear light cotton clothes to keep your body feel little better. Okay. If you wear sweater during summer, are you feeling better in that? No. You will not feel better if you wear sweater during summer or during hot seasons. The same way, you don't have control on the weather. Whatever is the weather, you have to face accordingly. Nowadays, you may see there is rainy season. Now, many days. Yesterday also it rained all throughout the day. So, what you have done in this case? What you have done in this case? You have simply protect yourself while wearing raincoat or umbrella when you are outside the home. Otherwise, you are sitting inside the room only. Instead, the weather often controls how much and where we live, what we do, what we wear and what we eat. Okay? तो वेदर क्या है कि कभी बहुत ठंडा होता है ना, कभी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती, कभी रेनी सीजन होता है, कभी मॉडरेट रहता मीन्स ना ही बहुत गर्मी ना ही बहुत ठंडी. These types of weathers are there. So what does it mean when these types of weathers are there? It means that you should wear clothes and things accordingly. Okay? You should wear clothes and things accordingly. So that's why there should. Next is what makes the weather. Weather is day-to-day condition of air. What is weather? Weather is day-to-day condition of air. Okay. Now how you can say whether is day-to-day condition of air? At a particular place, it depends on the sun, wind, cloud and rain. What are the things it depends? It depends on sun, cloud, wind and rain. How you can say that it depends on these things? Now see, yesterday only you have seen that whole day it was raining. So what was the wind? You were feeling moderate, neither too hot nor too cold. Moderate type of climate was there. Why? Because directly sun ray was also not reaching to you. Correct? Sunlight is not reaching to you because there was a clouds in between which was not allowing all the sun ray to reach on the earth. The weather was moderate, neither too hot nor too cold. Okay. Same way if we ask about wind. Wind blows. Sometimes wind speed is too high. Sometimes it is too low. Sometimes it is moderate, neither too high nor too low. So what are the things? It depends. Then rain, cloud. If too cloudy, then it will rain more. If less cloudy, it will rain less. So these are the factors on which your weather depends. Okay. These are the factors on which weather depends. So weather depends on what are the factors? First is it depends on sun, wind, cloud and rain. Then Second thing, the sun. What is the sun? Have you seen the sun? I think daily in the sky, during the daytime you are seeing the sun. The sun plays a big role in the changes of weather. What is there? Sun plays a big role in the changes of weather. Okay. Now, how the earth receives sunlight, it depends on it. How the earth receives sunlight, it depends on them. Sometimes if direct sunlight is on the earth, it will be too hot. If its direction is changing, so it depends how it changes. If it is slant, the little bit less hot. If it is in opposite direction, it will be like your winter season. Na? So, sun plays a very important role in the changes of weather. The sun heats the air, the land and water. What does the work of the sun? It heats land, water and air. Bright sunny days are hot, cooler during morning and evening because sun rays are slanting. You see how you say that there is a day and night. You say na there is a day and night. How? How you can say there is a day and night. Suppose this part you are having a sun. Na? This is your sun. And you say the elliptical path on which the earth moves. So this is your which path? Elliptical. So earth moves this way also and on its axis also. So when it moves on its axis, what happens? See, this part is facing sun directly. So it will be morning or daytime. This part is not facing sun directly. So this will be night. Okay. Front one facing sun, it will be day, and back side not facing the sun, it will be night. So you can see also in India it is day because it is facing the sun directly. But if you are any friends or relative living in USA or North America, South America, you ask what is the time there, so they will say it is night time. Na? Because here it is directly reaching the earth, so it is day, and at the back it is not reaching the earth, it is night. So ye say na, earth revolves on its axis and rotates on its elliptical path. Na? You say this. Now, you see this portion and this portion is closer to sun. When the earth will come here, it will be close to sun. And when it will go at this point, it will be far from sun. Isn't it? So when it is close to the sun, so it will be summer season, hot season. When it is far from the sun, it will be winter because sun will reach it, but it will be more distance apart. So it will be winter season. The bright sunny days are hot, means when sun is directly on the earth, it is hot. It is cooler during morning and evening because the sun rays are slanting. Now see, some portion it is directly reaching, some portion it will reach slantly. Where it will reach slantly, it will be morning and evening, and it will be not too hot. At noon it is hot because the sun is at overhead. नून में क्या होता है, सन जो है तुम्हारे सीधे सर पे रहता है, तो इसलिए वो और गर्म होता है. ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज दैट नून टाइम? 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock पे क्या, सन बिल्कुल सीधे सर पे पड़ता है, तो उस समय हॉट टाइम होता है. It is hot because the sun is overhead and its ray falls straight. Nights are cooler than days. During the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. In one day, weather is changing. Now, morning, it is pleasant. Okay. Daytime, it becomes hot because sun is at overhead directly on you. Then, evening, again, it is pleasant. So, you see, in one day only, it is changing a lot. That's why it is said that it depends on change in weather. Okay. So during the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. This is about how the weather changes in one day. Okay. How the weather changes in one day. Okay. That's all about this part. Okay. That's all about how the weather is changed.